In this video, we find the Laplace transform of a constant. Let's quickly dive into that. So if I have a constant k, and I want to find the Laplace transform of k, what do I do? We use the general formula for Laplace transform. Laplace transform of a function f in terms of t is given as a semi-infinite integral of f of t multiplying e to the power negative st dt. So with the formula, we replace f of t with k, since our function is k, standing for constant. So the Laplace transform of any constant is equal to the semi-infinite integral of k multiplying e to the power negative st dt. K can be factored out, and we have integral of e to the power negative st from 0 to infinity dt. Straight from here, we integrate e to the power negative st, and that produces e to the power negative st over negative s. From 0 to infinity, multiplying k. Negative s can be factored out, so we get k over negative s multiplying e to the power negative st from 0 to infinity. This becomes k over negative s e to the power negative s multiplying infinity minus e to the power negative s multiplying 0. This becomes k over negative s multiplying e to the power negative infinity. That's 1 over e to the power infinity minus e to the power 0. This is k over negative s. A number over infinity, a number over e to the power infinity is the same as a number over infinity, which gives us 0. So we have 0 here, and any number to the power 0 is 1. So e to the power 0 is 1. So we have 0 minus 1. This can be simplified to produce k over s, which is the standard Laplace transform of k. So for example, given 3, the Laplace transform of 3 is going to be 3 over s. Laplace transform of 100 is 100 over s. And this was how it was done. Subscribe to the channel for more exciting math contents. Like this video and share it to your friends.